guys, my name is Samantha. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are laminating my eyebrows. I picked up this brow lift kit about a couple of months ago. I believe I purchased it in October, and it is a brow lamination kit by Aryana, New York. I will leave all of their information down in the description box with all of their links to social media as well as the link to purchase this item if you're interested. The kit comes with a set of spoolies as well as applicator brushes. It comes with about 5 products to help you laminate your brows, as well as these cleaning tools. It also comes with a eyebrow brush and comb. The kit also came with instructions, but I misplaced the instructions while I was spring cleaning, so unfortunately I do not have those, but it does also have instructions on the back of the box right here. Okay, so the first thing that it says to do is to clean off your eyebrows with the cleaning solution. I'm going to take the cleanser with a piece of like paper towel, and I'm just going to clean off my brows because I did moisturize my face today. The cleanser comes with a small cap that inserts into the top to keep it closed. It's important that we do not lose that because it helps keep the product fresh for the next use. After I clean my brows, you're supposed to brush your brows in the way that you like them to be shaped, and then you're going to apply the glue on your brows. This glue is very soft. I'm going to apply an even layer over the brows. The next step is to use the perm lotion, which is right here, and place them over the brows, and then put a plastic film on top and let it sit for 9 to 12 minutes. I have 2 pieces of plastic wrap here just waiting to be used. This smells like straight up perm relaxer, like straight up, and it's a strong smell, so keep that in mind. Now I'm just gonna use this tool kind of to comb it through because I want it to stay straight. Okay, so it's almost been 10 minutes. I'm gonna start to get this off of my eyebrows. I have pretty thin eyebrows in my opinion. They're not super thick, they're not super thin, but they definitely do not need the extra 2 minutes. I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna wipe my eyebrows gently. So I'm not seeing any eyebrows coming off on the paper, so that is a good sign to me. I'm gonna keep wiping them though, and I'm going to keep them going in the direction that I want them in. They definitely look permed, if I've ever seen permed eyebrows. There is a little bit of redness here. It could be from the brush that I was using to comb through my eyebrows. And I would say that I did not notice any like burning, you know when you get a perm and like your scalp starts burning. I didn't notice any of that. That was too harsh. I did feel a little like tingling sensation. So the next step is the blue bottle, which is the fixation bottle right here. We're going to put that on our brows, and then we're going to cover for another 9 to 12 minutes. It doesn't say what this fixation is. It looks kind of like a conditioner or like the neutralizer that you get when you perm your hair. So I'm gonna leave that on for 12 minutes because I think it neutralizes or conditions the brows. Okay, yeah, so I've used the fixation and I've also cleaned them off of my brows. I'm gonna go on to the next step, which is to clean the brows gently and apply the nutrition lotion, which looks like an oil. Dip this in here. For the nutrition lotion, you only have to wait 2 minutes. So I'm going to wait until 4:54. And then the last step is to use the cleanser lotion to clean off all of the residue. I do have to say that I am loving what my brows look like currently. I know it looks a little bit weird, but once I get done with shaping them the way that I want, I know that I'm really gonna like them a lot. Okay, so this is what my brows are looking like currently. I'm just gonna comb through them. As you can see, they are up. They are stuck in the way that I permed them. Obviously, I will not be wearing my eyebrows like that. You can go ahead and cut along the top to shape them, but what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to brush the top over. This is how I used to wear my brows back in the day. So they're fluffy, but they're still structured in a nice way. And this side got a little wonky maybe after putting on the wrap, so but I'm sure that I can fix that. Okay babes, so there you have it. This is what my eyebrows are looking like after I laminated them with the Aryana New York Brow Lift Kit. I'm absolutely in love with them. I do think that I have some takeaways for the next time that I do this. I do love how everything is numbered, so it's pretty user friendly, and I would like to go over this another time, like, you know, in 2 weeks or whatever the proper allotted amount of time is. The next time I will definitely like shape them up and comb them over on the first step so that I can just perm them in this direction. But I can see that this is honestly super easy and super quick to do, so I'll definitely do that the next time. But I'm actually loving the way that they look currently. There is a little bit of like wonkiness on this side. I think once I put the wrap on, it kind of just messed up this side, but it's really not that big of a deal. And some of the tops are refusing to curve downward, but that's really no big deal for me because these brows look really cute in my opinion, and I'm super happy and glad that I finally got around to doing this. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't already, definitely leave a comment down below, a like, and subscribe to this channel for future videos like this. Bye babes.